Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of pristine windows with the ultimate cleaning solution. Introducing the ITTAR Window Cleaner, your all-in-one solution for sparkling clean windows. If you've been searching for the best tool to keep your windows, shower doors, and even car windshields spotless, look no further. This isn't just any window cleaner. It's packed with features that make cleaning a breeze and leave your surfaces gleaming. First off, let's talk about versatility. With its rotatable design, this squeegee can tackle windows of any shape or size. Thanks to its 7-angle adjustment, you can reach every corner with ease. But that's not all. The microfiber scrubber pad ensures a thorough clean, with super water absorption and decontamination features. Plus, it's equipped with strong Velcro, so it stays securely in place while you clean. Assembly is a breeze. Simply screw on the 3 poles to achieve your desired length. Whether you're cleaning low windows or reaching those high, out-of-reach spots, this cleaner has got you covered. And check out this stainless steel pole. It's not only durable but also lightweight, giving you the perfect balance of strength and maneuverability. From household windows to shower doors, car windshields, and beyond, the ITTAR window cleaner is the ultimate cleaning companion. Say goodbye to streaks and smudges, and hello to sparkling clean surfaces. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!